Experience the wonder.
Hello, Angela. Angel. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, anak. Ngayon, dalaga ka na. Salamat sa Panginoon at nakarating ka sa edad na 18. Pakabait ka. Wish ko lang, anak, sa'yo mag-aral ka maigi. Tapusin mo yung pag-aaral mo. Alam mo naman, yan ang dreams namin ni Daddy sa'yo. Tsaka ni ate na makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral.
Angel, ang wish ko sa'yo sa birthday mo ngayon is sana palagi kang mabait at higit sa lahat, huwag mong kalimutan na gawin mong sentro ang Diyos sa buhay. Kasi pag wala si Jesus sa buhay natin, wala pa tayong magagawa.
Happy birthday, Aisha!
Happy 18th birthday, Aisha!
Masasabi ko lang, anak, nandito kami lagi ni mami mo ang suporta namin. Kung kailangan mo ako, nandito lang ako. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Angel. You've grown up as a beautiful girl inside and out. Just continue what you're doing, and especially with your faith with God. Happy birthday. That's it.
We lift up our hands and see it all.
Nandito lang kami nila daddy ni ate na laging susupport sa'yo sa lahat ng mga dreams mo. Basta mahal na mahal ka namin. Alam mo naman yung nag-message naman ako sa'yo. Basta mag-ingat ka, anak. Love you. God bless.
Discover it all. Discover the new. Open our eyes. This is where our dreams come alive. I see the light. I hear the call. Discover it all. Discover.
Happy birthday, Jella! Hi, Jella! Happy birthday!
Of course, as a older sister, I just want her to finish her studies as best as she can and explore all the opportunities that she could have during her school year, especially in college. So make friends or study hard.
Hi, Angel. Happy 18th birthday. So, dalaga ka na. Thankful kami kay Dad for having you.
Discover.
Thanks! Happy birthday! See you later. Enjoy your day. This is your special day.
Discover it. Discover it all.